The Quick Start series continues with Video 3, Working with Data in the 3D Display. Volume data in InsightEarth is visualized and navigated by using slice groups. The slice group is located under the Visualization category in the data list. In this example, 3 volumes are currently loaded in InsightEarth and appear here in the data list. All 3 volumes are selected for display, which is shown by the checkboxes that are set to On. To modify the data shown in the 3D display, left-click on the slice group to make it active, and its properties appear in the Properties Inspector Display tab. Specific volumes are selected for viewing in the 3D display from the Display Volume drop-down list, as demonstrated here. Choose a volume's name from the drop-down list to both show it in the 3D display and to view its properties in the Properties Inspector. If needed, use the window scroll bars located at the bottom and side of the window to see all of the volume display controls. To change the currently displayed volume slice, slider bars are provided for changing the survey coordinate values, named inline and crossline in this example, and the displayed time or depth slice. Either move the slider from side to side, or select it with a left click and use the keyboard arrow keys or the mouse scroll wheel to rapidly scroll through the data. A specific slice coordinate value can also be entered manually into the numeric box next to the slice slider. There are several ways to enable accelerated scrolling of slices. Start by clicking in the numeric box and hold down the Shift key while pressing an up or down arrow key. Also, since InsightEarth provides a visual point-and-click selection method, a slice can be moved by left-clicking on it in the 3D display and then pressing the arrow keys to change its location. It is often useful to rapidly cycle through currently displayed volumes to visually compare the results of InsightEarth processing. Cycle the view of each displayed volume by left-clicking anywhere in the 3D display and then press either the V or Tab key to cycle forward through the selected volumes. To cycle backwards, hold down the Shift key while pressing either V or Tab. Deselect a volume's display checkbox in the data list to temporarily hide it from a cycled display. Several additional display options are available from right-clicking on the slice group, including the ability to add a color bar at a specified location in the 3D display window. Volume co-rendering options are found in the Display Mode menu and will be discussed in greater detail in a video outside of the Quick Start series. Performing position translation of data in the 3D display is best done with either a 3-button mouse or a 2-button mouse with a scroll wheel. Most operations are performed with either the left mouse button or a combination of the left mouse button and the Shift or Control keys. To rotate the view of the data, press and hold the left mouse button anywhere within the 3D display and then drag in the desired direction. To pan using a 3-button mouse, press and hold down either the middle mouse button or wheel inside the 3D display and then drag to pan the data in the direction of the cursor motion. If a mouse has no middle button or wheel, hold the Shift key down while dragging with the left mouse button. The 3D display can be zoomed in or out in 2 different ways. A scroll wheel will gradually zoom in or zoom out of the display, but a faster zoom can be achieved by holding both the Control key and the left mouse button and then dragging the cursor until the desired zoom level is reached. Several settings and options are available directly from the 3D display. Right-click in the 3D display to display this useful menu. Commonly used options include the Align To settings, take a screenshot of only the 3D display as a portable network graphics file for use in presentations, and the Change Scale window. Histograms can be used by the interpreter as an additional means to clarify features within a volume. To display a volume's histogram, either choose Show Histogram from the Properties Inspector, or right-click on the volume's name in the data list and select Show Histogram to calculate and display the histogram. There are several methods to clip the histogram limits. A very popular method is to press and hold the middle mouse button with the pointer inside the histogram display window to move both histogram delimiters symmetrically about the 0 value, which provides a balanced clipping. Alternatively, the lower range of the histogram can be modified with either a left click in the picking window or by dragging the left clip tab. The upper range of the histogram can be modified either with a right click in the window or by dragging the right clip tab. Clipping range presets are available in a drop-down menu as shown here. The current color map can be changed inside the histogram window by selecting an option from the Color Map drop-down menu. The next video in the Quick Start series will demonstrate the use of the workflow guide.